Good day and welcome to our today's discussion. So before I begin the discussion for today, let us have a recall first about what we discussed yesterday. So yesterday we talked about nouns. So can you please tell me what nouns are again? Okay, very good. So when we say noun, this is a name of a person, place, thing, or animal. Again, there are four categories of noun, and those are person, place, thing, and animal. Now, earlier before this video, you've watched and answered an ed puzzle video entitled Blue Fox. So in the video, I asked you to give a name to the fox. Now, what name did you give to the fox? What a great name. Now, for example, I gave the name Foxy to the fox. Now, these two words here on the screen are both noun, but they are different. Why do you think they are different? Okay, we are going to talk about that later, but for today, I will discuss types of nouns. For this lesson, we are going to talk about two, but there are six. So for today, those two types that we're going to talk about are common and proper noun. Are you familiar with common and proper noun? Okay, so for today, I'm going to discuss common noun first. So when we say common noun, these are general names, which means not specific. And since it is not specific, all common noun must start with a small letter only. I will show you some examples. The first picture is a picture of a girl. Now, as you can see here, the word girl starts with a small g because, again, this is not specific. This is only a general name of a person. Next, you can see there is a picture of a boy, and the word boy starts with a letter or with the small letter B. Next is a pencil with small letter P. Next is teacher with small letter T. And here we have a scientist with small letter S. Now let us go to proper noun. So when we say proper noun, this is a specific name of a noun. Specific, so this must start with a capital or big letter. For the examples, I'm going to use the pictures I've shown you earlier, but this time I'm going to give them their specific names. So earlier, this one is called a girl, but since we're giving her a specific name, we are going to name her Anna. And for the boy, I'm going to use the name John. So as you can see, the word John starts with a big letter J because this one is a specific name of a boy. So earlier, this is just pencil, but this time it is now called Mongol. So Mongol is a brand of pencil. Okay, so we are going to name the teacher Marie. And last, for our scientist, we are going to name our scientist Albert Einstein. Okay, let us have here a table showing the difference between the two. So common noun and proper noun. For common noun, these are general names, and for proper noun, these are specific names. For common noun, small letter only, and for proper noun, big letter. So earlier, I've shown you this. Now, do you know now the difference between these two? Great. The word fox that starts with a small letter is an example of a common noun, and the word foxy that starts with a capital F is an example of a proper noun. Very good. Now let us try. Here is what you are going to do. You are going to give proper names for the following common nouns. So I'm going to show you some pictures with their common names, and then you are going to give me their proper names. First is a picture of a phone. Do you know any brand? Next is a continent. Can you please name this student? How about your favorite restaurant? And for the last one, give this singer a name. Again, common noun are general names that starts with a small letter, and proper noun are a specific name that starts with big letter. Now let us have a summary again of what we've discussed today. For number three things you need to remember in this lesson. First, of course, nouns are names. Next, proper nouns are specific names. And last, common nouns are general names. For number two ideas unlocked in this lesson are proper noun and common noun. And for the last one, again, there is a question that you need to answer. And the question is, what are the differences between proper and common noun? And that's for you to answer. See you again tomorrow.